Today, you're going to discover 4 secret strategies to easily find video ideas that get views. No more throwing spaghetti at the wall. Save time and create content that truly resonates with your audience with these tips. Let's dive in. For those of you who don't know, I'm ELISE Michelle Nelson, your go-to YouTube business strategist and lead generator. I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business. With over 800 videos published on YouTube and having helped thousands of business owners already, I'm here to share these strategies that will take your content planning to the next level. So the very first thing I want to talk about is stealing from the best videos of others in your niche. So in other words, we're going to see what's working for someone else in the same industry as you and then make it better and make the same type of content. So go to top performing videos in terms of views, engagement, and shares in your industry. Just do a search for your industry. See which videos are showing up, and go and look at them and see how many views, how much engagement, and how many shares there have been. You can use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to analyze those videos and those channels to find top performing videos, determine what they're covering, what keywords they're using, and then create your unique spin on these successful topics to make them your own. Don't just copy and paste, make it better. Now, if you want more help, you want to see the step-by-step tutorial on how I do this, over the next few videos, we'll be diving even deeper into this topic, and I'll demonstrate how to do the research so that you can steal the best videos for a variety of industries. So make sure you tune into those videos if you want to see step-by-step how I recommend doing this. Before we continue, please like this video and comment with the words SMART content if you want more tips like these so that you can be making content that's smarter instead of just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping your videos stick. The second secret strategy to easily find videos that'll get you views is to remake one of your own videos. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to analyze your own video content. You're going to focus on videos that were viewed in the last 48 hours, that were posted more than 6 months ago, because this tells you that they're continuing to get seen. Our idea here is we are looking for videos that were posted not recently, but that are getting seen now, because that tells us those videos are doing well, they're continuing to work. And of course, as a business owner, the entire point of doing this is so that you can continue to get evergreen leads and sales. So videos that continue to perform are the types of videos you want to recreate. You're going to remake them with better production quality or updated information, or maybe more information, or possibly a fresh perspective. Maybe you've changed what you think about it. You can even consider creating a playlist around these topics that you discover and fully elaborate on them in more depth with multiple videos. This approach of reusing content that already works for you is a really great way to leverage what's existing and breathe new life into it and continue to get seen by YouTube. If you want to see the step-by-steps for doing this strategy, again, we're going to be diving into this topic even more over the next few days, so make sure you tune in and check out the playlist to catch the videos that have already posted if you're watching this sometime in the future, or are about to come out if you're watching it as it airs. Next, we're going to jump into the third secret strategy to easily find videos that get views, and that is to use frequently asked questions. Now, sometimes you already know what these are because you're in your industry and you know what people ask you, and you can certainly use those. But you can also use research by just going to Google and finding the People Also Ask section, and it'll give you questions related to your niche. And these questions are questions that people are actively searching for answers for. And if you can provide those answers, not only will you show up on YouTube, you will also show up right here in the Google search. And of course, they're the first and second largest search engines in the world, Google and YouTube. So when you start to show up for these, you will definitely start to get your audience to grow and get leads and purchases on repeat. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to do this, you know what I'm going to say. Stick around for a few days and I will show you step by step how to do it. I'm going to actually be demonstrating each of these in a variety of niches so that you can see how it would work for your particular industry. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more tips to help you with your business and YouTube lead generation strategies. Our final secret strategy, the fourth secret strategy to easily find videos that get you views, is to align with your products and services. So I want you to think about how your videos can naturally lead viewers to your products or services. What problems do your offerings solve? If you create content about these problems, you can easily lead them into your products. You can even create a video that is specifically about one of your products. And if you focus on the benefits of that product and you focus on trying to create an emotional response, you can really drive home to your audience how your product can benefit them. Plus, it'll make it easier when you make future videos referencing that product to lead them to the video that fully explains the product and or service. If you want the step-by-step outline of how I recommend using YouTube lead generation for your business, you're going to want to grab my download. You're going to go to myscheduledbiz.com/profit, and I'm going to walk you through in a very short and easy to understand PDF the steps that are required to using YouTube as your lead generation platform for your business. I hope to see you next time, and I'm so glad we get to live our dreams together every single day.